There are places on Earth that seem to exist outside of time. Kyoto is one of them. For centuries, it has been a center of culture, art, and deep spiritual thought. Today we embark on a Zen walk, not to rush, but to slow down and truly see. Our goal is not sightseeing, but to experience the profound tranquility woven into Kyoto's streets and temples. This is an invitation to step away from daily noise and find a different rhythm. The sound of a monk's footsteps, water over mossy stones, your own breath. In Kyoto, Zen is everywhere. In temple roofs, garden arrangements, and a stranger's nod. We are not tourists, but pilgrims seeking awareness. Our guide is serenity, our map the rising sun. We'll discover how a city can teach clarity and calm, offering lessons in mindfulness. Let's begin, leaving behind expectations and opening our senses. The beauty of a Zen walk is its simplicity. It asks only for your presence. To be here, now, in this moment. Kyoto has waited centuries, holding stories of emperors, poets, and monks. Now, it holds space for us to find peace. As we walk these timeless streets, let's quiet our minds and open our hearts. The city's wisdom is found in gentle steps and quiet moments. Peace is not something you find, but something you allow to find you. Let us begin our walk and see what secrets the quiet city is ready to share. Our journey for tranquility starts now. The world is still cloaked in deep blue and soft gray as our walk begins. Kyoto's air is cool, carrying the scent of damp soil and ancient wood. The city sleeps, but anticipation fills the silence. A lone lantern glows at a tea house entrance, Kyoto at its most intimate. As dawn breaks, light touches tiled roofs and reveals the Higashiyama Mountains. Only our footsteps echo on the stone pavement. A distant temple bell marks the new day. Morning light slowly reveals intricate woodwork, mossy stones, and a cat stretching on a step. Every detail feels significant in this uncluttered light. The city stirs with grace. A shopkeeper opens a shutter. The scent of rice and miso drifts out. There is no rush. Life unfolds with calm, steady rhythm. In these first moments, Kyoto shows its true nature. Life flowing like a quiet river. This is the perfect state of mind as we approach our first temple. We wander into Gion, where history lingers in every narrow, winding street. Traditional wooden machiya line the paths, their weathered facades absorbing the morning light. You can almost hear echoes of merchants and geishas from centuries past. The architecture speaks of simplicity and function. Latticed windows, bamboo flower offerings, reed blinds. These are living homes and businesses, not just relics. We pass a tiny Tsubaniwa garden, a stone lantern, a maple tree, moss-like velvet. The sound of a bamboo shishidoshi punctuates the silence. The uneven stone paths demand mindfulness with every step. Gion rewards attention with subtle discoveries, a family crest, pottery in a window, the scent of hinoki wood. These streets are full of life, history, and peace. You cannot rush through Gion. It invites you to slow down and notice. Each detail is a lesson in presence. The district is a perfect prelude to the serenity within temple gates. Here, the past and present blend in quiet harmony. We move forward, ready for deeper tranquility. Our path leads uphill to Kiyomizudera, the pure water temple. The temple sits on Otowa Mountain, overlooking Kyoto veiled in morning mist. We pass through the Deva Gate, purify our hands and mouths at the Chozuya, and enter a sacred space. The main hall's wooden stage juts out over a sea of trees, built without a single nail. From here, the city and hills stretch below, mist swirling between heaven and earth. The Ottawa waterfall flows below, its stream said to grant blessings. The true gift is the sound of water, a soothing mantra echoing through centuries. Standing here, we feel awe, humility, and connection to Kyoto's spirit. The temple's presence is powerful, inviting reflection and peace. We listen to the water and let the tranquility settle within us. Our journey continues to Nanzenji, nestled at the base of the Higashiyama Mountains. The towering Sanman Gate marks our passage from the ordinary to the spiritual. A red brick aqueduct built in the Meiji era runs through the temple grounds, a striking blend of east and west. The sound of water above is a constant calming presence. In the Hojo we find a famous rock garden, raked gravel, carefully placed stones, a canvas for meditation. The garden is viewed from the veranda, inviting quiet contemplation. Nanzenji's sub-temples, like Tenjuan, offer secluded gardens with koi ponds and mossy stones. Here, crowds disappear and Zen feels most accessible. In these quiet corners, we find profound peace and presence. The spirit of Zen is alive in every detail. Zen is not just in grand temples, it's a way of seeing the world. Kyoto teaches this through humble details: a stone lantern, a basin of water, a raked garden. A lantern's base connects to earth. Its chamber opens to the sky, a universe in stone. Water flows everywhere in waterfalls, aqueducts, and purification basins. Its sound is life and cleansing. Its stillness reflects clarity. Even a ripple from a falling leaf reminds us of subtle change. Raked gravel in Zen gardens suggests stillness and order. Swirling patterns evoke water. The act of raking is meditation, focus, patience, and renewal. Beauty is found in emptiness and simplicity. Plants too are chosen for meaning: pine for endurance, bamboo for flexibility, moss for humility. Every element is intentional, creating harmony with nature. By noticing these details, we learn Zen's principles: simplicity, naturalness, understated beauty. The world becomes a silent teacher. In every small thing, there is a lesson in presence. Zen is everywhere, if we choose to see. We walk the Philosopher's Path, a simple stone trail beside a narrow canal. Named for philosopher Nishida Kitaro, it's shaded by cherry trees and perfect for quiet reflection. The only sounds are water gurgling and leaves rustling. The path's simplicity encourages a slow, mindful pace. Along the way, we find tiny shrines, cafes, and hidden temples like Honen Inn. The journey is about discoveries, not destinations. Each step is a moving meditation, syncing body and mind with the flow of water. Thoughts come and go, like clouds passing overhead. The path frees the mind, turning walking into spiritual practice. We are not just walking a path, we are walking into clarity. The Philosopher's Path is a lesson in mindful living. The true soul of Kyoto's Zen spirit is found in its quiet, hidden corners. We wander residential streets, discovering small shrines and secret gardens. A Jizo statue, a camellia blossom on a water basin, simple acts of devotion and beauty. Inside a humble temple, we sit on tatami, looking out at moss and ancient trees. There is no grand view, only silence and gentle light. These sanctuaries offer solitude and a chance to connect with ourselves. Enlightenment is not distant, it's present in every moment and setting. A single flower, a mossy stone, the sound of wind, these are our teachers. Zen in Kyoto is a lived reality, not a performance. Peace waits patiently in the quiet corners of the world. Our Zen walk through Kyoto draws to a close. The city is awake, but we carry the morning silence within us. We have not just seen Kyoto, we have felt its rhythm and spirit. The journey was inward, into the present moment. We've learned to see beauty in the ordinary, to listen, to silence, to notice the subtle. The calm and clarity we found are not exclusive to Kyoto, they can be cultivated anywhere. The Zen walk was practice, the temples and gardens, our training ground. We can bring these lessons home. A local park, a simple arrangement, a mindful ritual. The walk ends, but the echo of silence remains, a gentle reminder that peace is always accessible. Kyoto has given us a blueprint for tranquility in a noisy world. By embracing simplicity and connecting with nature, we find lasting calm. The Zen walk is over, but the journey to clarity continues. The path is not out there, but right here, with every step we take.